Good day po, ask ko lang po sana if entitled po ba ang mga head teachers sa double pay during maternity leave pag vacation? Okay? So, gets po natin itong tanong na ito. Siguro po ay isang head teacher ito nagtatanong. So, ganito po yun. No, yung mga guro ay nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na double pay, no? Kapag sila ay nanganak on maternity leave sila during school break. Yun po ay dahil dito. Una, kapag school break, yun po ay PVP period. No, yung sinasahod ng mga guro during that time ay galing sa kanilang naipon na PVP days sa nagdaang school year. Okay? So yun po yung tinatanggap nilang sahod. Pero at the same time, dahil sila po ay naka-maternity leave with pay, so dapat pa rin po silang mabigyan ng bayad during those period na sila ay on maternity leave. So dahil po same period, no, school break, sila ay mayroong PVP pay, proportional vacation pay na binabayad sa kanila as sahod. Tapos they are on leave with pay, kaya tinatawag na double pay kasi parang doble yung matanggap po nila during that time. And yun po ay allowed ng Civil Service Commission. So walang problema. That's the time na nakakaroon ng double pay. Ngayon, now let's look into the situation of the head teachers. No, yung mga head teachers are considered as mga non-teaching personnel. No, if these head teachers are earning sick leave credits and vacation leave credits every month, okay? 'Di ba yung mga head teachers? No, I'm not sure with, hindi talaga ako familiar sa lahat, no. Most of the head teachers kasi kapag elementary sila po yung mga school heads, 'di ba? And they are earning sick leave credits and vacation leave credits every month. That is 1.25 sick leave credits every month plus 1.25 vacation leave credits every month. At yun po ay from January to December sila po ay nakakaroon ng ganyan because wala po silang tinatawag na school break. Kahit po sila ay ito pong yung school break, Christmas vacation ng mga guro, tapos merong school break. Kapag ikaw ay head teacher na assigned as school head, ay wala kang, hindi mo bakasyon, no? Wala kang bakasyon talaga. So they are earning this leave credits every month. So wala silang PVP. Okay? Walang PVP kapag meron kang leave credits. So in short, kapag ikaw ay nanganak during the time na school break o kaya ay Christmas vacation, yung tinatanggap mong sahod ay yun na po yung maternity pay mo during that time. At dahil wala kang PVP, dahil mayroon kang leave credits every month, wala kang PVP, so hindi ka makakaroon ng parang double pay, no? Kasi maternity leave lang talaga, maternity pay lang talaga yung matatanggap mo. Wala kang PVP, kaya hindi nakakaroon ng double pay. I'm not sure with the head teachers sa mga secondary yung hindi po nagli-lead ng school. Pero ang guarantee po natin dito, if they are earning vacation leave credits and sick leave credits, it means na sila po ay walang PVP, kaya sila ay pabayaran lamang ng maternity pay during school break na sila po ay on maternity leave. Kaya wala pong double pay sa case na yan, no? Tandaan po, yung mga guro nagkakaroon lamang ng parang double pay dahil meron silang maternity pay, meron din po silang PVP, proportional vacation pay. Pero sa mga hindi po nag-earn ng PVP dahil meron na silang leave credits every month, yung kanila pong matatanggap during school break or Christmas vacation ay tanging maternity pay lamang. So walang double pay kasi walang PVP. So yun po yung ating sagot, no, sa tanong na ito. Kung kayo po ay siguro alam nyo naman po kung kayo ay mayroong leave credits every month o kaya ay mayroon kayong vacation or sick leave credits sa bawat buwan, then you are not entitled, no? Wala kang tinatawag na double pay dahil po doon sa explanation na nabanggit po natin.